Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
We're going to
Unbox this
the Ferrari SF90.
and this is the parts for this car.
Battery.
Yeah, I'll do open this. You can see guys. I'll open this. Here's the car. It's already open, so that's good. Now look.
Did you put the battery already?
And here's the battery.
You put already the battery.
Yeah, because we already used it. And look at the back. Now we're going to open this, but there's nothing inside because we already put the battery.
There's a battery pack. There's two batteries.
Oh yeah, there's two batteries.
For the other one.
For the other one, I'll show you. Here's the other one. Remember you saw this? Yeah. And then let's open this now. Boom. You'll see this guys. Boom. We already opened this, you remember? And it still doesn't have the battery. We need to put the battery, it's like this. And then put it like this. At the end we're going to race, remember that. Okay guys, now my dad is just almost there. He's setting up and we're almost going to race. So that means you're going to watch us. I'll just hold the camera. Dad, please. Now you'll see my sister come. Say hi.
Hi, I'm playing paper dolls.
Yeah, that's Katie. Can you say hi over?
Hi, I'm playing paper dolls today. So this is the paper dolls home. Hello. And today this is my home. Say hi.
Okay guys, now we showed Katie. Now we're going with Daddy.
What?
Say something.
Hi. I'm just installing this.